Welcome. If you're looking to stop those photos of you notifications on Instagram, you've come to the right place. These alerts can be helpful, but sometimes they get a bit overwhelming. Luckily, turning them off is quick and easy. Here's how to do it with the latest update. First, open your phone's Settings app. This is where you control all your device's preferences, including notifications. Next, scroll down and tap on Apps or Applications, depending on your phone model. This will show you a list of all the apps installed on your device. Find and tap on Instagram from the list. This opens the app-specific settings. Now tap on Notifications. Here is where you can customize what kind of alerts Instagram can send you. Look for notification categories or a similar option that breaks down notifications into different types. Among these categories, find Photos of You. This is the notification type that alerts you whenever someone tags you in a photo. Simply toggle off the switch next to Photos of You. This will immediately stop those notifications from appearing on your phone. And that's it. You've successfully turned off the Photos of You notifications on Instagram without affecting other alerts. This way, you can enjoy your Instagram experience without those constant tag notifications interrupting you. Remember, you can always revisit these settings if you want to turn the notifications back on or adjust other notification preferences. Managing notifications helps keep your social media use more enjoyable and less distracting. Thanks for watching, and enjoy a quieter Instagram.